Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you some strategy better than ratio spread where your chances of loss will be very minimum. Even if there is any of that sort, I will also teach you how to adjust, how to make some adjustments to get out with a profit. So let's look at today's chart, Nifty. Okay, so Nifty is if you just draw a channel, okay, you see the price is always touching the upper trend line and it's coming down, right? So will this come down from here? That's a $1,000,000 question. If people get to know about it, they are going to make in millions and billions, right? So I will create a strategy in such a way that you benefit from any side. Please note, this is not a strangle or straddle, this is not a ratio spread, this is something that I discovered. Let's see. I just wanted to share with you all. Okay, so let's open Opstra. Okay, let's get this started. Now first, I am more inclined towards being bearish. I think the market might start going down from here, right? So first I will sell a future. Okay, so my payoff diagram is like this, right? So now I will have to hedge my position if the market starts going up, right? So I will buy 15,000 call option. Okay, by this I am minimizing my loss. Okay, this is called a call hedge strategy, right? But obviously my profit is going to start from 14,848. right now the market is at 14,906. I will have to wait till the stock move, till Nifty comes down below 14,825, right, to make profit. So now I know the expiry is another 5 days max. 1 2 3 4 5, it's just another 5 days. So in 5 days, though the last week of the month will be more volatile, what's the best that it can move? If you look at a place where a lot of trades happening, it's like this, right? So this is a place where the Nifty was hovering around this place, right? So now what I will do, it's 14,666. now I will short 14,600 put option. Okay, I will sell. You see what will happen. Okay, the moment I sell this sort of becomes like a bear call spread types, but I'm just combining a call hedge with a covered put, right? Covered put and a future. Basically this is known as collar. Okay, this strategy is known as collar. Okay, now I will do another thing to this. Okay, instead of selling one put option, I will sell two put options, right? Now this is taking a shape of a ratio spread, right? Now on the other end, you see I have already paid 113 rupees, right, for the 15,000 call. But here I have received 88 rupees because 2 lots. I have received 88 rupees, right? 113 and 88, it's about a difference of 20 points, 25 points, right? So now how do I manage with this 25 points? Now let's look at the resistance. Okay, I see the recent high that this Nifty made was 15,134. right? So let's short 15,200 call. Okay, I will sell 3 lots. Okay, sell 3 lots, add position. Okay, now you see this is more like a Jeep strategy, right? Now I will definitely limit my loss by, just to cut down this 4 lakh estimation. See, what I will do is 15,600 call. I will buy 3. Okay, add position. Okay, this is a limit, and here again let's say 13,800 put. I will buy 1, just to make it a limited strategy. It shows 6,88,000, but it doesn't need 6,88,000. If you have 3 lakh rupees, you can build this strategy. Okay, 3,20,000 rupees, you can easily build this strategy. Okay, what is the benefit of this strategy? Now let's say that the market starts to fall. Okay, you see, market, if it starts to fall by next week, even if it falls too much, right, even if it falls too much, you see till where my break even is 14,181, 15,206. Now I'll also show you what happens if you do a ratio spread. Okay, I'll show you what happens if you do a ratio spread. See, ratio spread. Now let's say you are shorting 14,900 put. I mean, you're buying 14,900 put 1 lot. Okay, you're paying 1 to 425 rupees, right? And then now same 14,600, or let's say 14,700. No, let's do 14,600. I sell. Now to cover this, I'll have to do 3 lots, right? 3 lots, add position. Okay, now let me hedge it. Let's say 14,000. I mean, I'm just limiting my loss, right? Buy. See, I have limited my loss. So now if you look at it on the upside, no matter how much of the market goes, I'll be only losing 364. But if it comes down at 14,600 is my maximum profit, that is 22,000, right? But my break evens are 14,453, 14,895, right? It's here. Of course, on the upper side, I don't have any risk at all. But is this a very good strategy? If you ask me, maybe. But I'll tell you the benefits of this strategy. See, first of all, your maximum benefit is at 30,000 rupees. Okay, of course, to build this strategy, all you need is only so much, right? But if you, this option selling is for those who can who can shell out little more money, mainly who have good capital and who can get out without a loss, right? So that's very important. Okay, so now if you look at it, for 5 days, if you can make 5%, I'll tell you what are the other things that matters in this strategy. Okay, in ratio spread, if something happens and if it starts to go down, you will have to make some adjustments. Okay, which I will tell you in some other video on what needs to be done. Again, we would need some additional capital to do it. Okay, but here I'll tell you, if the market starts to move like how I expected, if it goes to 14,600, right, I'll be realizing the maximum profit. Okay, and now do you think that the market will go to 14,181. Let's say where 14,181 is. Do you think the market can reach here next week? Possible. Anything is possible in stock market, but I will have enough time and space to take decisions and to make adjustments, right? I will have enough. As it moves and as I see more weakness, if it starts to break certain levels, obviously I will book some loss in this 14,600 put which I have sold, and I will square it off, right? So this can never become an unlimited loss for me, and my future will start giving me profit. Now what happens if the market starts to rally? Because now if you look at I'll show you right now, right? I'll show you the SGX Nifty right now. Okay, see, if you look at SGX Nifty, it is trading at 15,000 already, 100 points up, right? It's already trading 100 points above. So tomorrow possibly 15,000 it can open, of course. So now I will wait tomorrow, I will wait till the end of the day to see which side the market is showing more strength. Now let's say it shows my loss starts from 15,200, right? Let's assume tomorrow market from 15,002 it goes to 15,100. okay, now let's say I book my loss at 15,100. I get out of my trade. Okay, I book it and I get out of my trade. Now if you look at it, my market, the market will be at 15,100, and you see until 15,200 I can still make some profit. You know what I'm saying? Of course, after certain adjustments, after removing one call option, right? Wait, I'll show you. Now I'll reduce this. Okay, now adjusting certain things, and of course once it gets here, right, once it starts moving up also, I will start squaring off this 15,200, like 1 or 2 lots I will probably square off, or worst case, even if I don't do anything for now. Okay, even if I don't do anything for now, if the market remains here, you see, I will be able to make some profit, right, at 15,200. Why am I so sure that 15,200 can be little difficult for Nifty to try for this expiry? Is because it did try to move up, right? It did try to move up. There was a huge gap. Of course, the gap has been filled. According to SGX Nifty, we see that the market might open anywhere, anywhere close to this range. It can open and it can even rally, no doubt. But let's see, if it goes above this, I will do whatever it has to be done to get out with a decent profit. But I will make sure I will never book a loss. So let's see how the market will go, and once I start to do adjustments, I will also tell everybody on what I did to get out with a profit. Fair enough. I have already taken this trade. I have taken it in my 5 paisa account, right? I can show it to you. So here is it. If you start looking at my position, this is what I have taken, like how I have told right now. Let's see however the market goes. I will take necessary action, and I will also share what I have done to adjust. Yeah, so any doubts, any clarifications needed, please comment below so that I can help you all with whatever I know, right? I am not a big expert, but I can definitely try to solve your query, right? I can at least do some research if I don't know, and I will get back with a definite answer, right? Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.